We have a Mercedes C240. It's a 05 plugged in to the F29, which is 3 right up there. Then we have all keys lost fast using the Autel IM608 with the fast. We have that plugged into the K7, the 2 wires all wired up. Our new Mercedes key, XP400. And then we just succeeded it was probably about 15 minutes that we got the password in. So we will click OK. And password completed. Click OK. Please insert the blank key into the IR key holder. It's already in there, so we'll click OK. Detecting the key, and you'll see all that flashing going on right now. It's writing the file onto the key right now, and this is an Xsource key blank. It's writing the key file. Success. All right, now we'll say